Welcome to Old MacDonald's farm adventure. Get ready for a fun-filled day on the farm.
Hello, kids. I'm Old MacDonald, and welcome to my farm. Let's explore and meet my animal friends.
Listen. Moo moo here, and moo moo there. Everywhere a hearty moo moo fills the air. Now, meet my jolly pig with oink oink sounds. Oink oink here, and oink oink there. Quack quack here, and quack quack there. Every splash sings a cheerful quack quack. Hear the neigh neigh of this splendid horse. Neigh here, and neigh there, filling the field with energy. Here comes the soft baa baa melody. Baa baa here, and baa baa there, warming our hearts.
What a wonderful day on the farm. Thanks for joining me, kids.
Sing along and come back for more fun adventures.
Hey everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Chipper, your host. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit those buttons now. Look at these fun icons. Give them a try. Remember to subscribe and comment like and hit the bell. Thanks again for watching.